Welcome to AASK Traders Hub channel. I always have a firm belief that if you become a good trader, you will inevitably become a very good human, and vice versa. If you are already a good human being, you have all the qualities to become a good trader. So this belief I would like to share with all of you in our YouTube channel, wherein I'll be sharing very valuable content as to how we should approach trading and investing in a very systematic and disciplined way. I would like all of you to subscribe to my channel, and I look forward to sharing some valuable content with all. Welcome to the channel.